Gotessons artificial plants. High-quality artificial plants for decoration of office, conference and hotels. Our plants are lifelike and require minimal maintenance, an economical alternative when no contracted maintenance is required, and obviously no allergy risks. Combined with our trendy oil drums, it can be used as a divider between spaces while creating an oasis. A good place for an office nap. No waste. Use the whole packaging of cardboard and wrapping as filling material for the drums and for the pots. Combine the different sizes and the plants to your own design. Note: aloe vera and orchid come in their own pots ready to be placed and enjoyed. For the artificial plant skeptics, we suggest to combine our plants with the PAS Pure Air Zone sofa, a 99% air purifier, even more effective than the real thing. Make 3D drawings greener and more realistic by adding our plants to the virtual layouts with Pecan.